Hello, boys and girls. Mr. Bruce here. Today's book, Bear Snores On. Absolutely, I love bear books. But before we start, eyes watching, ears listening, voices quiet, body calm. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. Shh. The cold winds howl, the night winds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluffy cold snow. Brrr. The mouse squeaks, "It's too damp, too dank, too dark." So he lights some wee twigs with a small hot spark. Crackle, crackle, fire. The coals pip-pop, the wind doesn't stop. But the bear, well, the bear snores on. Shh. Two eyes, glowing eyes, sneak peeking in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a white hare jumps in. "Ho, Mouse," says the hare, "long time no see." So they pop popcorn and they brew black tea. Mouse, wee slurps, the hare, big burps, but the bear just snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs in the air. I smell yummy yums. Maybe we can share. "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divide them up and cozy down, and then we can dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, and a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. They have lots of guests, huh? The mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm," says the wren. Everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, the slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. The hare stokes the fire. The mouse seasons the stew. Then small pepper flake, makes the bear go, ah, 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 shoo! He blows and he sneezes. The whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps, and bear growls and he grumbles. "Get out of here!" He says, "You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none. Then he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans and the bear blubbers on. Oh, he's sad because he woke up and missed the party. The mouse squeaks, "Don't fret. Don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up in a crisp, clear dawn, the bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Shh. The end. Okay, did you ever do that? You stayed up so late and got so tired that you couldn't sleep, and then when you woke up the next day you were grouchy? That's what happened to the bear. But once they invited him to the party, he had a good time. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, be good to your folks and wash your hands. Bye-bye.